Okay guys, welcome to Oliver's World of Wheels, and today we're doing more Johnny Lightnings that I have not reviewed yet. These are all that I recently got like a few days ago. So start off with the smaller ones. Here is Johnny Lightning Street Freaks Zinger. It's what is it? A 1970 Plymouth GTX. With that Mopar plum purple that uses one of the old Dodges. Here is a 1958 Corvette with surfboards coming out the back of it. The front and the back are really detailed. And I think even the hood opens, which is really, really cool. Here's a Johnny Lightning Golf Series. I just got this in the mail. It's a 2005 Ford GT and 1970 Mustang Boss 302 2-pack. So we have this one and this one. So we have two of those from the Golf Series, and then we have Fluid Facts right on the bottom. Here's our last one is a Johnny Lightning Gone Fishing. It has the little boat, and I have the one that has the International Scout 2 pulling the boat. So yeah, that's really cool.
Tell me about the detail in the International Scout 2.
Okay, bye guys.